I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley and I are doing a collab today and a challenge that we've put out to the whole community, and we're hoping that we are going to be busy for quite a while watching all of your videos with your Cruella dolls. We put a challenge to one another to take a Blythe doll, turn it into Cruella. Mine, which I will reveal in a moment, is based on the 1961 cartoon, but she has the face mold or structure of the new 2021 Cruella. The cartoon was in 1961. I was a baby. I was born in 1957, but it was, of course, on TV when I was a child, and we all watched it. The cartoon was based on a 1956 novel. They came back out in 1996 with 102 Dalmatians with Glenn Close, and a sequel in 2000. In 2005, they came out with 101 Dalmatians 2, which was Patch's London Adventure. Patch, of course, was one of the Dalmatian dogs. Cruella came out in May 2021. So as you can see, there are a lot of Cruellas to go by. And when you see my doll, remember that I'm not going for the look of the 2021 necessarily, but the older Cruellas. These girls are some that I dressed for the reminders and the DIYs of what you could do to dress a doll as Cruella. I made most of these outfits. Let's see, I did not make this one, and I did not make this coat, but I did make this coat and these little outfits. Darren, while I was recuperating and could not bicycle ride with him, he brought this back for me one day when he went for a bike ride. I was absolutely tickled. And I would like to show you my reveal. This is my CruellaAsADolly. I handmade her dress. I'm going to show that to you more closely. It's 3 pieces. Darren made the stand. I am absolutely nuts about this stand. Bless his heart, he worked and worked and worked to try to make some high heel shoes, and we just ran out of time. He was going to 3D print them. She does have a train on her dress, her cape, and that's the wig I made. And now I'd like to show you her dress in up close. I did a face up on my Cruella. We can call it a face up. I made this little tube dress, and then I added this extra piece for a little pizzazz. It is kind of a half bow. I didn't want a full bow on it, and it's worn a little to the side. And then I added this skirt, and I made sure that it had the shiny fabric on both sides, and it snaps around the waist, but it goes under the sash of her dress. And let me snap that. Ugh, I don't have my glasses on.
And I'm in your way.
There we go. Okay, well, that's all right. And then I make sure that that's even. And then I got to pull her bead holders down. She has her CruellaAsADolly hashtag for her eyes. I'm going to show you those in a minute. Her cape also has the shiny side fabric showing on both sides. The train, of course, is longer on the back and doesn't need to be as long on the inside. I sewed everything sewn by hand. I did, in the middle of my cape, add a stitch so that my ribbon would not come off. And then I tie that on the front Get her hair out of it. Turn her. Oh, a little revealing there. Tammy and I are asking that you rate our Cruella dolls, our setups, etc. With a vote of 1 to 10. And we ask you to look at both dolls on both channels and come back and leave your vote. Let me see, where's the end of that? There we go. I want a small bow, and that's her outfit. And again, I wish I had high heels, but I don't. Let me pull that around, and that is my Cruella's outfit. Let me pull that back up over the shoulders and add her shoes. I do want to show you her eyes. I had painted these in the black and white before the dog stickers came. Those are fingernail stickers. I don't know, can you see this one? It's pretty camouflaged. And I would have, I don't know if I would have just done black so that the dog showed up more. I kind of like it, but would have been cuter that way. But that's not all that I have. Darren, we love those claw machines, and when I saw this dog in that claw machine with a great big rescue me, I thought, oh my God, my Cruella doll. So the first one, I think we had to put $5 in and get it. And then we were at a different Walmart, and they had this one in another claw machine, and I think we paid $3. So $4 a dog, I'm real good with that. But like, there's more. This is my little doll that I call Skunk. And she is Cruella's granddaughter. She likes, let me pull her out. Oh, her little shoe came off. She likes black with white spots, where Cruella likes white with black spots. This is a 3-layer dress. It is made, I did some of it by hand, but most of it on the sewing machine, which is a big deal because these dolls are absolutely tiny. I had this little white button with the little black dots. I had to use it. I thought it was so cute. But look what Darren did. I did a face up. Again, I don't know if I call it an up, but okay. Check it out. She has sleepy eyes. And look real careful because her eyes were black with white spots. She actually has on each eye the nail sticker. Again, I probably would have done their eyes, I don't know, red or black, so you could see the little stickers better. Darren made these little shoes on the 3D machine. He's still working on the pattern a little bit, but oh, she has shoes and they're cute.
And she doesn't have sleepy eyes. They come with sleepy eyes.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Now she's got 2 pull strings.
Yeah. She had sleepy eyes. Now she has pull string eyes. How cool is that? And her little beads have her name, Skunk, black and white, and that hair. And a couple keys I think are cute. But that's the back of her. Oh, I wish her shoe wasn't falling off. The shoes are quite a science. To get them the right exact size. So that's my little addition. Can you see? It's getting to be evening here, so I'm not so sure you can see her little freckles. Tomorrow we're going to have a video we'd like for you to come by and see, where we show you how we did the double pull strings on the mini Blythe dolls. Darren has a tutorial. I love it. I think it's cute. I think it's fun, and it just, I don't know, upgrades the minis or petites, whatever you want to call them. Don't forget to score Tammy and I 1 through 10, 10 being high. Please watch both of our videos and stay tuned because we have Maleficent coming up pretty quickly we will announce the date to have your Maleficent dolls ready. The hashtag for that will be Mean Maleficent. Of course, we know in the end she wasn't, but it's a cute hashtag. I am off to watch everybody's Cruella videos. I hope that you added the hashtag CruellaAsADolly, because that's what I'm going to put in my search engine so I can go and find every single video. I can't wait to see them. Please leave a like, a comment, a high score, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.